Hello, culinary inventors. Ever craved that iconic KFC fried chicken, the one in the red and white bucket? It's a global sensation, famous for its crispy, secret-spiced coating and finger-licking goodness. The legend began with Colonel Sanders and his mysterious blend of 11 herbs and spices, a recipe that sparked curiosity for generations. But what if you could recreate that magic at home? Imagine the aroma of frying chicken filling your kitchen. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to make your own KFC-style fried chicken. No cues, just pure homemade joy. So, aprons on, let's get cracking. Worried you're not a kitchen whiz? Don't be. Great fried chicken is about fun, not fancy skills. Think of it like building an invention. Gather the right parts, follow a plan, and add enthusiasm. This recipe is for everyone, even if you've only ever burnt toast. The real magic is watching simple ingredients transform into something extraordinary. Get the family involved, mixing spices, sharing laughs, and making memories. No fancy gadgets needed, just your hands, a few bowls, and a sturdy pan. By the end, you'll have delicious chicken and a boost of kitchen confidence. Let's gather our supplies. Before we dive into the magic of cooking, it's important to have everything you need within arm's reach. Organization is the first secret ingredient to a successful feast. Lay out your tools, bowls, and measuring spoons, and get ready for a culinary adventure. Start with a fresh chicken, cut into pieces, drumsticks, thighs, wings, and breasts. Each piece brings its own texture and flavor, so don't be afraid to use the whole bird. This way, everyone gets their favorite bite, whether it's a juicy thigh or a crispy wing. Now let's talk about the real magic, the legendary blend of 11 herbs and spices. Start with the basics: flour, salt, black and white pepper. These are the foundation of your coating, giving it that classic crunch and a subtle kick. Next, add garlic salt and celery salt. These two bring a savory depth and a hint of earthiness that make the flavor pop. Don't underestimate the power of a good salt blend. Dried mustard and paprika are up next. The mustard adds a gentle tang, while paprika brings a warm, smoky color and taste. These spices are what give the chicken its signature look and a little extra zing. Onion salt and ginger powder join the mix, layering in a sweet sharpness and a touch of heat. These flavors work together to create a complex, mouth-watering aroma as the chicken cooks. Finally, sprinkle in thyme and basil. These herbs add a fresh, fragrant note that lifts the whole dish, making every bite taste like a celebration. For the coating to stick, whisk together eggs and milk to make a rich egg wash. This step is crucial. It's the glue that holds all those delicious spices onto the chicken, ensuring every piece is perfectly coated. Dip each chicken piece into the egg wash, then dredge it in your spiced flour mixture. This double dip method creates a thick, crunchy crust that locks in juiciness and flavor. For frying, use vegetable or canola oil in a deep, heavy pan. These oils have a high smoke point, which means they can handle the heat and give you that perfect golden finish. The right oil and pan mean even, golden results. Make sure the oil is hot enough before you start frying. This is the secret to a crispy, non-greasy crust. With all your ingredients prepped and ready, you're set for assembly. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. This is the foundation of a truly smashing feast. Now that you know the top secret ingredients, let's move on to the fun part, cooking. Get ready to turn these humble supplies into something extraordinary. Time to build our masterpiece. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something truly special. This step-by-step guide will walk you through every detail so you can achieve chicken perfection right in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these easy-to-follow steps will help you create crispy, juicy chicken that's bursting with flavor. Start by mixing your flour and all 11 spices in a large bowl or a sturdy bag. Don't be shy with the spices. This is where the flavor magic begins. Shake or whisk everything together until the mixture looks uniform and you can see flecks of all those delicious seasonings. This seasoned flour will be the secret to that irresistible, flavorful crust. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs and milk to make your egg wash. The egg wash is essential. It helps the flour stick to the chicken and creates that signature crunch. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and slightly frothy, making sure the eggs and milk are fully combined. Next, pat your chicken pieces dry with a paper towel. This step is important for getting the coating to stick. Dip each piece into the egg wash, making sure it's fully coated, then transfer it to the seasoned flour. Press the flour onto the chicken so every nook and cranny is covered in that flavorful blend. For an extra crispy crust, double dip your chicken. After the first coating, dip it back into the egg wash, and then into the flour again. This double layer locks in moisture and gives you that satisfying crunch with every bite. Once coated, let your chicken pieces rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. This helps the crust set and prevents it from falling off during frying. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final texture. Now, heat your oil to 175 degree or 350 degree. Use a deep pot and enough oil so the chicken can float freely. Test the temperature with a pinch of flour. If it sizzles right away, you're ready to fry. Carefully lower the chicken into the hot oil, frying in batches so you don't overcrowd the pot. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the crust turns golden and crisp. Watch as your kitchen fills with the mouth-watering aroma of perfectly fried chicken. This is where the magic truly happens. The secret to perfect fried chicken: crunchy crust, juicy meat. Double dipping creates extra layers for unbeatable crunch. Don't overcrowd the pan, cook in batches so the oil stays hot and the crust stays crisp. Fry each side 6 to 8 minutes until deep golden brown. Check doneness with a thermometer, 74 degree 165 degree, or clear juices. Drain cooked chicken on a wire rack, not a plate, to keep it crispy all over. Let it rest a few minutes. This keeps every bite moist and flavorful. Now, you're ready for that first glorious bite. Anistat boy, sodak kerponunditsins. Even inventors make mistakes. Let's dodge the common ones. Too hot oil burns the crust before the inside cooks. Too cool oil makes greasy, soggy chicken. Keep oil at a steady medium-high. Use a thermometer or the flour test for guidance. Don't skimp on seasoning. Bold flavors are key to that KFC magic. Be patient. Let the coating rest before frying, and let the chicken rest after. Rushing leads to soggy or bland results. Trust the process, take your time, and you'll be rewarded. Every step counts for that perfect, triumphant chicken. You've made it. After following along step by step, you've reached the finish line of your homemade fried chicken adventure. This is your moment to shine in the kitchen, and to savor the results of your hard work and creativity. From secret spices to golden crispy chicken, every detail has led you here. The aroma filling your kitchen is proof that you've unlocked something special, something that's more than just a meal, but a celebration of flavor and tradition. You now hold the keys to homemade KFC-style greatness. We've gathered ingredients, measured and mixed, and mastered the art of coating each piece just right. Every step, from seasoning to battering, has brought you closer to that iconic crunch. And let's not forget the secrets of frying and resting, those crucial moments that make all the difference. The sizzle of the oil, the patience as the chicken rests, and the anticipation as you wait for that first bite, all add up to the ultimate crunch and juiciness. Now it's your turn. Roll up your sleeves, put on some music, and let the rhythm of cooking fill your kitchen. Cooking is as much about joy and fun as it is about technique, so make it your own. Turn your kitchen into a flavor laboratory, where you can experiment, taste, and tweak until it's just right. Don't be afraid to add your own twist, maybe a pinch more of your favorite spice, or a new dipping sauce on the side. The joy of pulling that first perfect piece from the pan is unbeatable. The steam rising, the golden crust crackling, and that first taste, these are the moments that make cooking at home so rewarding. Share it with friends and family. Your homemade version might just become the new favorite at every gathering. Watch their faces light up as they take a bite, and enjoy the laughter and stories that follow around the table. There's nothing like the taste of success, especially when it's crispy, juicy, and made by you. So dig in, celebrate your achievement, and remember, every bite is a reminder of what you can create with a little patience and a lot of love. Happy cooking, and enjoy every bite.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.